All right, this is the BFT UFO LED high bay light. 150 watts, 22,500 lumens. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. It's got a 0 to 10 volt dimmer option on here. I'm not going to use that, so let me show you things about this, then I'll test it in some scenarios here. It is super bright. I mean, something like this would be perfect, like in a workshop over a table saw or something, over a workbench. It's a powerful light. Obviously great as in a garage or something like that too. And it blasts light, man. It is powerful. You can see all the LEDs on here. This is 12 inches across this way. Already attached to it, it comes with a 2-foot, like a safety hook. It's got a little lanyard on here. And you have a 5-foot, 110 volt cable on here. And here is the line to connect to a dimmer if you wanted to. The instructions on this aren't that great. You just basically tell you how to put this hook on and how to hook the chain up and how to plug it in. It's telling you on here that the purple wire connects to positive and the gray wire connects to negative, but I've got purple and pink on here, so there you go. This hook is packed separately from the rest of the light, and you're going to want to back out this set screw before you put this in or you'll run into it. You want to back it out pretty good. And this just screws on there, obviously. It says it's made out of powder coated aluminum. This thing weighs a little over 5 pounds, just so you know. You can see the connections on here, Allen wrench connections connecting the top part of it here. The bottom, it's got some venting going on through here, through the middle, looks like. Looks pretty sturdy. Let's test this thing out. I want to show you how unbelievably bright this thing is. I've hooked it to a foot switch, and let me just show you my backyard right now. This is the way it's lit up with my porch light on. We're going to turn the lights off, and I'm going to show you how bright this light is. It's pretty impressive. Here it goes. This light is massively bright. It's seriously like daylight. Now let me show you how light it is. I've got it hanging up on my patio deck right now. Look how bright that is. Well, anyway, if you're looking for a good shop light, garage light, warehouse lights, check out this one. It's pretty bright. It's pretty awesome.